अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 5 from Madani Qaida Tanween. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is tanween? Two zabar, two zer and two pesh are called tanween. A letter which has a tanween on it is called munawwan. In fact, tanween is a noon sakin that is at the end of the word. This is why tanween sounds like a noon sakin. For example, Hamza two zabar an, Hamza to ze in, Hamza to pesh un, in, un. How do we spell tanween? Spell out tanween. Example of tanween as follows. Meem to zabarman, meem to zermin, meem to peshmun, man, min, mun. Let's see the example of tanween. Za to zabarzan, za to zerzin, za to pezun, zan, zin, zun. This is the example of tanween. Inshallah, in coming videos we will learn more example of tanween. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.